What's up YouTube? Pete here from the Sunday Drive, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the fan speed resistor on your 2004 Silverado. Now this will also be applicable to other Chevy and GMC vehicles. In fact, pulling up the item on Amazon shows that it's good for Chevy Silverados, Tahoes, Suburbans, Avalanches, Sierras, Yukons, Cadillac Escalades, and other vehicles. So here's the link on Amazon, and it's $23. As you can see, it comes with a new fan speed resistor and also a wiring harness in case you need one. In this video, we're not going to need the new harness. We just need to use the fan speed resistor, but it's still nice that the kit comes with it. I'll provide a link in the description of this video, but if you look, it also shows you all of the other vehicles that this kit will work for. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. So without further ado, let me show you how to diagnose if you need a new fan speed resistor and how to fix it. Stay tuned. So typically the best way to diagnose if you need a new fan speed resistor is to check if speeds 1, 2, or 3 are not working as they should. Now in my case, speeds 1 and 2 aren't working. So put the car into accessory mode and turn the dial. Speed 1 does nothing. Speed 2 does nothing. Speed 3 actually works in this case. And so do speeds 4 and 5. If speeds 4 or 5 aren't working, there might be another issue. For instance, it might be in the dial and not in the fan speed resistor located under the dash. So under the passenger side dash, there's this big plastic cover that needs to be removed. There's 4 7mm bolts that hold this in. One in the front corner by the door. One a little deeper right here. And then the other 2 are over here. Right here where it starts to dip down, and in my case the last one's behind the brake controller back here. You'll feel it if you stick your finger in there. Now I'm gonna be pretty honest, in our case we're pretty lucky. In this 2004 Silverado, there is nothing in the way of where we need to be. So this harness right here is actually included in the kit, and there's 2 bolts that hold this resistor in place. In some trucks, there's another dish that's in the way, and it's kind of a pain to get to. So everything is out in the open in this truck. So in the case of the kit that I bought, the black and white wired plug and wires would actually replace this plug right here. But this plug is not damaged or does not need to be replaced in any way, so we're gonna leave that. Now you'll also see a black and red wire, and that runs behind this fan right here. So we're gonna have to unplug this plug to replace the new fan speed resistor. If you look at the new fan speed resistor, you'll see it has the same plug and the same black and red wire. So obviously this goes here. Now the 2 screws that hold the fan speed resistor in are even smaller, and they're held in with a 5mm socket. So first, just unplug the harness. You can see the tab right here, and pull back on it and the plug will come out. Now if you notice, it hasn't fallen out of place or anything even though we removed the screws. It's kind of just stuck up there a little bit, which is fine. We still need to unplug the plug from the current fan speed resistor. So if you look at it, I just want to show you this. All you gotta do is push down on this tab and it will pull out. Oh man, you can see just how cruddy this unit has gotten. It's all rusty. Does not look very nice. It's like dry rotting. And compared to the new one, they actually look identical, which is good because I have seen some cases online where the new one looked like this and the old one looked a lot wider. But yeah, obviously this is just plug and play. All right, let's go test it. And now for the moment of truth. All right, one's working. Number two. Yeah, there we go. 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Awesome. All 5 speeds work.